Hello. So I went to Yahoo. I used Target Corporation and uh their stock symbol is TGT, which I put here and merged it. I went in order of date, volume, open, high, low, close. I then did the URL, placed it here, and did the wrap text. Go home, do wrap text from Target Corporation to Merchant Center. And then in addition, with the URL, I put the date when I got it. I then did high and lows, oldest to newest, as instructed. I went to sort and filter here to the right, and I went to oldest, I clicked oldest to newest. Then I went to my second sheet, which is the stock chart, and uh, I went to insert. Here you go, and I went to stock, and I waited until I saw exactly what I was looking for, which was a volume, open, high, low, close. I did that, and I imported it here. So everything here is supposed to match with the data here. Okay. Um, I changed the vertical axis to volume in millions by just double clicking, and you can type it up. You can also use text options. In addition, I went to the next secondary vertical axis by adding, going to chart design, going to add chart element, going to access titles, and adding secondary vertical, which is very interesting. I didn't know that. So that's definitely something that I learned using chart elements. Um, and even just formatting the charts. So that's, again, something I definitely did not know how to do. Just clicking, knowing I could change so many things. So I double clicked here. I went to the bars here, went to access options, number, and I changed it to currency, which is general. I changed it to currency, um, which is what they were looking for. But then I'm gonna do that because then you want it to just have no decimal, so we go back to 0. So currency, you can do currency, 0 places, 0 decimal places, all right, and then you close. Okay, so there you go. And then again, so I showed you I formatted. I inserted a text box, and I just explained what I learned, which was that the closing price was higher than opening price in like January 1 and June 3rd. So January 2nd and January 2nd, sorry, and June 3rd. So there's a chart, and thank you very much.